Okay, guys, I wanted to come and talk about the salsa jar because I know a lot of people are planning on attending this salsa jar dessert line build a line class because I was going to build my line in salsa jars, and I was like, come on, guys, come along with me. We're still doing a class because I did post a class, so you can find it in the description box. It's very cheap, very inexpensive because it's going to be like a one-time class. But this is for people who want to launch a small dessert line but really don't want to use a huge jar with a huge opening because they don't feel as confident with the piping and stuff like that. The salsa jars have such a small 3-inch opening to where as though you can pipe inside of it, add your little strawberries, cookies, whatever you want to add, bananas, wafers, and it just really look good. I like it because of the way it just kind of sit in the jar, and it's just cute to me. So you could do like a pineapple upside down cake, put your cherry in there. Let your cherry be seen on the side of the jar. It has such a nice, steady, safe flame. That's another thing I like about it. Like we can burn salsa jars and straight sided jars for a very long time. Like, I mean, seriously, I burn mine for hours, and you never really have to worry about that flame getting out of control because we use a really nice wick, nice size wick in this jar where it's perfect. Okay, now everything has to be tested. When you add fragrance, everything changes. So we just give you about 2 sizes to test. You're going to either choose that one size or you're going to choose the other size. Either way around, this class is for you, okay? Now, listen, I'm going to give you guys an update after a few hours on this jar, but you guys know I burn these jars all the time on live, and they always come out cool. Like, seriously, best burn, hands down. But moving on from there, I had made a few in a class probably about like what was it about 2 weeks ago. So it was like a cookie and cream, cotton candy, strawberry, banana. I was just going salsa jar crazy that day, and we had such a good time. So I'm inviting you guys to come to this dessert candle salsa jar making class. It's going to be really cheap. We're only doing it one time. We're never going to do it again. So it's not a situation where you're like, oh, are you going to have this class again? No, we're not going to do it again. We're just doing this class one time. So come on out, join us, enjoy yourself. Guys, you do not want to miss it. Okay? All right.